Aries, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your week 2 forecast for October. Aries, it's quite a phenomenal week for a lot of us. We have Venus. She's moving into your 6th house. She was there in the first 8 days in your house of love and creativity, and now she's moving into your work and into your health. So a great time, Aries, this week, starting week 2, and this is precisely, I would say, around the 9th that you can, if you've been thinking of changing your diet, if you've been thinking about getting really serious about your health, this is the time where you're going to be really having a lot of planetary support. It's also a brilliant time. Mercury is going direct, and Mercury has been direct for the last 3 weeks. So a great time to be making plans, to be doing negotiations, to be signing those contracts. In fact, for a lot of you, if there have been delays as far as negotiations, closing of deals has been there, it's a time that you'll find in week 2 things finally start moving. A great time as well to be traveling, and also for those of you who have been thinking about maybe things which have to do with your relationship sector as well, because Uranus has been sitting over there, and now you also have the planetary support of Venus, and communication is there. So try and maybe sort out things as far as your partnership, and this has a lot of focus on your business partnerships as well. We also have a fantastic new moon that is there in week 2, that is exactly on the 13th, and this is happening in your house of new opportunities, business partnerships. And it speaks about, again, of your 7th house. It has to do with your marriage. It also has to do with your work partnerships. So maybe for those of you who have been looking for a job, for those of you who have been thinking about maybe applying, or even collaborations for that matter, even if it's not really a new job or a new company, you will find either a recommendation that comes your way, or you will find just literally that a job lands in your place. But a great time for collaboration, a great time for doing teamwork, a great time to be putting your bit ahead, Aries. You'll get heard very well. It's a really effective time for you as far as putting your case front is concerned. And new moon, of course, is all about new opportunities. So it's about everything that is I wouldn't say it's like literally like a second turn, but you do have sort of a window to be doing things again in a new way. So make full use of this energy in week 2. I'll see you again next week, and thank you so much for watching.